the sound of your heart. We tend to fall together, fall in love, and still, in the end, we'll fall apart.
Hi guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today I have some relaxing but super satisfying deep cleaning for you guys. I tackle a bunch of places like my laundry machine, my stairs, I organize some spots in my home, and I do some deep cleaning of my carpets with my new Bissell spot cleaner. So if you guys are in need of some motivation, definitely make sure to keep watching. I started in my laundry room by cleaning my laundry machine. I used my OxiClean washing machine cleaner and threw it in there and ran a cleaning cycle because luckily my washing machine has that. And then I just used my Love Home and Planet cleaner and wiped the outside of my washer and dryer. If you guys are new around here, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. It means so much to me. I upload a cleaning motivation video every Sunday, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notification bells to get notified every time I upload.
The life that we chose. It takes time to get it right. Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more. Just a little time for you and I. So stay a bit longer. Just a little time for you and I. Until it's all over. Just a little time.
After I finished in the laundry room and let my washing machine clean, I headed upstairs. If you guys watched my last video, you saw that I decluttered my bedroom and my closet. Unfortunately, when I did that, I didn't have anything to really organize the little cubbies in my room. So I ordered some more of these really big storage fabric bins from Amazon. They're $25 a piece and they're huge. I forgot the measurements exactly, but they fit perfectly on the bottom cubbies in my room. So I ordered 3 more. I already had one, and one of them, oh, here's my cat. She's always just thinks everything's hers. But one of them I put my cat's food and litter, and then the other ones I put blankets, sheets, and my travel bag. And I just like how it keeps everything looking pretty uniform. I'm hopefully going to paint the cubbies either black or white. I'm not quite sure. Definitely give me your input in the comments below what color you guys think I should paint these cubbies. But I'm happy with how it turned out now, and it just looks so much better.
It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before in every shade.
Another thing that I wanted to tackle in my bedroom was cleaning up these really bad stains that are from my pets. Some of them are from my cat, some of them are from my dog. They're like potty stains, or my cat has threw up a few times up here, and I didn't have anything to really clean it with. And here she is, looking guilty because she knows that she made a mess. But I got this Bissell little green Pro Heat machine, and it's for pet messes and stuff. So I just finally opened it up. It came with a little sample size cleaner, and I filled up the formula in the water and got to work. I think it did a really great job. The only stain that it didn't do an awesome job on was the potty stain for my dog. So I might have to go over that with my bigger carpet cleaner, but I think it did, a decent job, and I'm definitely going to be using it more often. Most of these stains were pretty set in, so my task from now on is to try and tackle the stains as soon as I see them, so maybe they might come out a little bit better. But for set in stains, I think it did a pretty decent job.
It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let our worries fade. let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all the worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow.
While I was cleaning the carpet, I decided to just give my stairs a quick vacuum. As you can see, my cat's scratch pad is over here, and she's crazy with that thing. She loves it, but she makes a big old mess. So it definitely needs to be vacuumed more often than I do it, but it's so satisfying to watch it like all go away. And then, yeah, I used the Dyson, or oh my gosh, you guys, I'm losing my mind today. I used my Shark vacuum, and it has this little handheld attachment, which makes it super easy to vacuum the stairs. My stairs are super like dusty, and they have sparkles and like just a lot of stuff on them because I didn't clean them after I took off my Christmas decorations. So this was much needed, and I'm just so glad to have them all done.
Nothing's changed, we're the same, and we skip the small talk, 'cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late.
As you guys can see, my dog was super satisfied with the after shot, so I think that's a bonus. But when I was at the top of the stairs, I noticed my cat's litter box needed to be wiped, or not wiped, but like just cleaned out. So I did that really quick, and I get a lot of questions about the litter box. The white box is from Wayfair, and they have a ton of options. This one was on sale when I bought it a couple months ago, and I really like it. My cat really likes it, and it looks really good, not just like your typical litter box. So I'll definitely link that down below in the description box. But now it's time to move on to the kitchen. I had a sink full of dishes that needed to go in the dishwasher, and then I will clean my sink out and move on to giving my fridge a deep clean.
Skip the small talk, 'cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped.
I don't know about you guys, but watching people clean their sink on these YouTube videos is like one of the most satisfying things. I love doing it. But now that I have this white sink, it's not as satisfying. Like, I don't know, it's just different than like having a black sink or a stainless steel sink, because you can really see all the dirt and grime, and on a white sink you can't. So it's kind of sad because I miss my like satisfaction I used to get from cleaning the sink. But you know, I guess I'll just go watch some YouTube videos and let me know, what is you guys' most satisfying chore? Like, what's the chore that you just love to watch or do because it just gives you the most satisfaction? One of the chores I despise doing is cleaning out the fridge. I had a ton of like expired food that I needed to get rid of, and also I was gonna go grocery shopping the next day, and I just wanted a clean slate. So I took everything out, got rid of all the gross expired food, And then I did this trick that I learned on Jamie's Journeys channel. I'll link her channel down below. You take out all of the shelves and you put them in your bathtub with some hot water and some dish soap, and you let them soak. And this saves you from having to scrub them in the sink, and it saves time, and it also saves you from making a big mess like I always do. So I threw those in the bathtub for probably about 10 or 15 minutes while I cleaned out the rest of the refrigerator, and then I came back and I wiped them down.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes.
Honestly, guys, if you have never tried to clean your fridge this way, I highly recommend it. It saves you so much time from having to scrub down everything, and it just makes the job so much easier. So definitely check it out. Again, I'll link Jamie's channel down below. So after I wiped out all of the drawers and shelves, I cleaned out my organizers and just took everything out, gave them a really quick wipe down. They weren't too bad because I try and do this probably once a month or every other month. And just make sure they stay clean because, again, like I said, I would be going grocery shopping the next day, and I wanted to make sure all the organizers were clean so I didn't put food in dirty organizers.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
I have been putting off this organizing project for a little while now because I didn't feel like putting the organization piece together, but as you guys can see, it's really not that bad, but I just wanted a better system to organize my pots and pans. So I bought this organizer from Amazon, and it actually literally took me like 3 minutes to put together, and it just made everything so much neater and a lot easier to access. So again, I have this linked down below. All the products and stuff I use and mention will always be linked down below in the description box for you. And like I said, it was super easy to put together and made a really big difference in how I organized my pots and pans. To finish off in the kitchen, I wanted to give the floors a good sweep and mop. They definitely needed it. I haven't done it in probably like a good week, which is way too long. And even though I live by myself, I have 2 pets, and I've had like my mom over and my brother over, and it gets pretty bad. So definitely needed a good sweep and mop. I didn't use my big mop. I just used my Swiffer. That's what I use when I'm feeling lazy and I don't feel like filling up my mop bucket, but it still gives the floor a nice clean, and I wasn't really doing a deep clean, so I didn't need to bring out my big mop. I hope this video gave you guys plenty of motivation. Definitely check out these other videos here on the screen if you guys are still cleaning or want some more motivation or just want to watch. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye.